Have you ever seen that dreaded electronic parking brake light flashing on your dashboard? Maybe your car starts beeping, or worse, the parking brake just won't release. Don't panic. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, practical, and stress-free. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your electronic parking brake, EPB, and potentially save yourself a trip to the mechanic. First, let's quickly understand what the electronic parking brake actually does. An electronic parking brake, often called EPB, replaces the old-school hand lever or foot pedal with a simple button. Instead of cables, it uses small electric motors to apply and release the rear brakes. It's cleaner, more convenient, and often integrates with features like auto hold and hill assist. But here's the thing, it's amazing until it stops cooperating. Maybe you just changed your rear brake pads, replaced or disconnected the battery, had a low voltage issue, or your car simply decided today was a day to act up. The good news? In many cases, resetting the EPB is easier than you think. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Safety first. Before touching anything, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface. The engine is running or the ignition is in accessory mode, depending on your vehicle. Your foot is firmly pressing the regular brake pedal. This is important. We don't want any unexpected rolling. Step 2. The basic reset method. For many vehicles, a simple reset sequence does the trick. Here's what to do. Press and hold the parking brake button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then pull the button up and hold it for another 5 to 10 seconds. While doing this, listen carefully. You may hear a small motor sound or a click. Watch the dashboard light. It might blink or turn off. That's usually the sign that the system is recalibrating. If the light goes away and the brake releases normally, you're done. Nice and easy. If it didn't work, don't worry. Let's try a deeper reset. Step 3. The advanced system reset. If your EPB is still stubborn, we'll try a full reset sequence. Here's how. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Press the parking brake button down and hold it for about 3 seconds. Release it. Immediately pull the button up and hold it for 3 seconds. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. You may hear a confirmation beep or see the parking brake light flash. That usually means the system has reset and synchronized itself. Think of it like rebooting your computer. Sometimes the system just needs a fresh start. Important reminder, if your parking brake still won't reset or you see additional warning lights like ABS or brake system errors, the issue could be a faulty brake motor, a blown fuse, a bad switch, or a sensor problem. At that point, a scan tool may be required to clear stored fault codes. But in many everyday cases, these simple reset steps solve the issue without spending a single dollar. And that's it. Resetting your electronic parking brake isn't as scary as it sounds. A calm approach in the right sequence can save you time, money, and frustration. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step car care guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this.